Hi everybody, it's Wendy Lee. Welcome back. Today I have a haul for you from the Dollar Tree. So it's mostly fall and Halloween. So let's get started. I'm just gonna pull things out of the bag at random. They're not like organized or anything. And I've got I've got like 5 bags. So I'll try to get started quickly. So I found these really pretty purple pumpkins, which I already have some of these and I needed more. And I got these cute skeleton Day of the Dead stickers. And I got some tinsel stems. I got them in orange and black. And I found these cute witch hat picks, which I thought were so cute. I thought those were so fun. They come in 3 different colors and they're made out of like a velvety stem actually. So those were cute. I got some of the fall stickers. So I got these are so cute. I got the ones with the pumpkin pie and the candle and the latte. And then what does this one say? The only thing getting lit this weekend are my scented candles. That's funny. What does this one say? Oh my gourd, happy fall. And let's stay home. Oh, I love those cinnamon rolls. I just noticed those cinnamon rolls down there. So got some of those and I got these as well. And what does this one say? Happy harvest, carve out some good times, believe in the magic of harvest. And then I also got these ones, and these ones have a bunch of different sayings on them, which I'm going to save you some time and not read all of them to you. I got some more of the pumpkins, and I got another one of those with the latte on them. And then I found these adorable pumpkins, which I love animal print, and some of them are puffy and some of them aren't. Then I got another Day of the Dead sticker set, and that's what those look like. And I found these are so adorable. My favorite one is this little pumpkin right here drinking the coffee. I think it's so cute. I love the one with the glasses too. And I also found some of these. And I got these purple glittered bat clips, which would be fun to clip on to like projects or Happy Mail. Then I got a package of the mini purple pumpkins. And I got some of this was in the fall section, some of the, what is this called, like snow tool, I guess you would call it. You know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of a popcorn ceiling. And I got this, it's called Sparkle Mesh, and you can see it's got purple glitter spider webs on it. Here's another pack of the tinsel stems in purple. And then I also got some of the clips, the purple spider clips, so you can see that they have those clips on the back. And I found some of these little bones. They're styrofoam and they're so cute, and they have like white glitter on them. And I found this super cool wood cutout, the Bride of Frankenstein. Love her. And I found the Frankenstein one to go with her. Then I got these stars. These were in the graduation section, but I thought they would be useful. I have a pack of them already, so I was like, let me just get another pack before they're gone, because the graduation section is almost wiped out. Then I found some more wood decor cutouts to decorate. So I found this haunted house. And I found, oh, I love her. I found this skeleton cameo. And this haunted house. And this haunted house. So there's those. So that was one bag. Then we have this bag, which I was so happy to find some of these pumpkins. You guys, I've told you that I love like the burgundy maroon color because I think it goes so good with mustard yellow. So I found this pumpkin, which I cannot believe is $1, but it was. I got that one. I also got it in this gorgeous teal color. And I found one of these Christmas trees, and it's a good one. It's not all dented up or bent. Well, I don't know if you call, is it a, no, it's a Halloween tree. I wish I would have found this in the other colors. I think they also had black and purple, but only one, I went to 2 stores and only one of them had these, and this was the only color they had, and they only had 2. One of them was all twisted up and funky, so I passed on it. Then I got these skulls, these glittered styrofoam skulls. And I got these super cute little mini sunflowers. And I got this paper tape. I like using this for when you're cutting dies and you want to tape them down. That paper tape removes really easily. It's not too sticky. Oh, I got 2 of those. And I found these funky, cute, glow-in-the-dark hands, which I thought were fun. And they have holes on them, so you could make like a garland out of them or something, or hang them from something. And then I got this cute craft bottle with the spider web design on the top. So you can just store some cute Halloween stuff in there and, you know, put it away for next year. And oh, I got another one of the silver skulls. And then I found these are called Color Your Own Ornament. So I got the witches' hats. I got the ghosts. And I like how they come with the twine already. And then I got the cats. And I thought this was so cute, you guys. I got this truck in the blue color, and it has this pretty silver leaf on it, and it says Fall Harvest, and it's just like a hanging sign. I thought that was so cute. I love that color. They also had it in like a reddish color. And then I got some of these. I got some of these reading glasses. Because I wear reading glasses and I always forget them upstairs because I keep them upstairs because I'm usually upstairs more than anything, like working and stuff. And I forget to bring them downstairs, and I'm like cooking and I'm like trying to look at the back of a box or can or package or whatever, and I'm like, oh my gosh, my glasses are upstairs. So I got a couple of those to leave downstairs so that when I need them, they're there. Okay, let's see what's in this bag. So in this bag, I found the pink pumpkin, yay! So I got the pink pumpkin. I also got a blue gingham one for the kitchen because, or the dining room really, because our dining room is blue. And I got the skulls, the styrofoam skulls in white. And I got another pack of those little mini sunflowers. And I found these pumpkins. So these are the Color Your Own Ornaments. Those are the pumpkins. And then I also found them in the like hot cocoa or coffee latte design. And I got the acorns as well. So they had cute little acorns. These would also be cute like if you did a beaded garland and you tied those onto it. Then I found this super cute sign. So it says pumpkin spice everything, and I just like the shape of that. I thought that was cute. I can't believe that was only $1. Then I found these rub-ons in the Crafter's Square. These aren't Halloween, but I thought they were so cute, especially for like Valentine's Day. I found some more of those skeleton hands, but these are more of like a true skeleton type color. I also got another pair of those glasses for my husband. So they're like that color. He's a 125, I'm a 150. So for him downstairs. And then I got this really cute sign. I just thought it was pretty. I love the color. It says Autumn Blessings. And it's got like glitter on it. Oh, and I also found the color your own ornaments in these maple leaves. And then I got 2 of these. Just every time I see them, I'm gonna grab 1 or 2. These are the hardware storage cases. And these are just really good when you're doing swaps. Like if you have to do like a embellishment box or something, or like a bead box. Okay, and then I found this super cute skeleton, you guys. And it's articulating, so it's so cute. Found that. Here's what he looks like. Then I found this, what is this called? It's called Mesh Tube, and I got it in a couple of different colors. And I got some more of the spider clips. And I got some more of the decorative mesh in purple and orange. Then I found this glitter tool. Says it's glow in the dark glitter tool, and it's like orange with glitter on it. And I found the black decorative mesh, the little snowballs, or the popcorn ceiling. And then I got 2 ribbons, 2 glitter ribbons. And then I got these, which I thought these were really cute. These are called burlap ribbon, and I found it in this color, this reddish color, this orange color, I guess. And I got these really cute pumpkin picks in this like turquoise color. Or yeah, it's kind of like a turquoise color. And then I got, this is from the Crafter Square section, I got some of the Pop Dot adhesives. Here's another glow-in-the-dark glitter tool in black. And I thought this was pretty. I just got one of these picks. And then I found the decorative mesh in the burgundy color. And this is kind of funny, but my husband and I were flipping the channel the other night. We came across Bob Ross, and he was like, we should do a Bob Ross painting. So I got a huge artist canvas. I got 2 of them. We're gonna try it. I don't know when, but we got them. And I think it should be fun. We'll see. Okay, 2 more bags, guys. So I got a few more of the mesh tubes. I found it in this pink color, this orangish color. This was with the fall. The pink one was with like the regular like garden section, and then this was with the fall too, so it's like a pretty like red color. Then I got these in the fall section. And oh, I found the decorative mesh, the popcorn mesh, or the snowball mesh in that green color. I got some of these really pretty sunflowers. And I had to get more of this because I love this. I use it all the time. This is the foam mounting tape. This is in the automotive section. It's not actually in the craft section. And I got some of these for doing die cut swaps. It's a coupon holder, so you can put die cuts in there when you're doing a die cut swap. I got it in a few different colors. And then there's also a yellow one. And let's see here. I found these super adorable stickers with with the red truck and the mushrooms. And then our last bag here, I got some really pretty pumpkins. I got this one. I love how it's like got that iridescent glaze on it. And let me move this out of the way. I got another one. In like a yellowish color, mustardy yellow color. Oops, it's getting crowded. Then I found some more of that spider web mesh, sparkle mesh, I guess you call it, in an orange and like a gold. And I found some black glitter ribbon. And then I got glow in the dark glitter in the purple. And I also found the decorative mesh in like this fluorescent, like yellowish green color. Oh, and I got another one of these. So I got the burlap ribbon in this brown color. And I got some of the back clips in black. And some of the pumpkins, the little mini pumpkins in orange. And I found these stickers, which I thought were so cute. And I thought they would be really good to go with the 31 collection from Prima. So look how cute those are. And then I got these stickers, which are little gnomies, little fall gnomies with their little coffees. And I think that was the last thing, guys. Yeah, that was it. Wow, that was a big haul. So that was everything I found at the Dollar Tree in the fall and Halloween section. I'm still looking for a couple of more items. So if I come across them, I will do another haul. I hope you enjoyed. Hope you'll subscribe, like this video, and if you have an Instagram account, my Instagram is below. Follow me there too. Okay, thanks so much for watching. I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.